2?
3.
Okay. Yours.
I'm going to assume my blues, but, you know, just humor me.
I changed a lot of my blues.
Yeah, I'll take my blues. Those are not where I want to be.
Alright. Okay, so one and middle one. So hammers and riots.
Would you like 17 or 18?
So 18 or 18. Right, this is D shape.
Correct.
Let's go 17.
17.
I have a Blade, Ghost Rider, Nebula, Wong, and Beta Ray Bill. Siege of Darkness, Brace, Bats, Deal with the Devil, and Highway to Hell.
Okay. I have Kingpin, Black Cat, Loki, Prince of Lies, Red Skull, Master of Hydra with his grunts. In Tactic cards, I got Brace for Impact, Indomitable, Fallback, Cosmic Obliteration, and Giant's Blood.
Brace for Indom, that's what you have.
Brace for Indom.
Hey, you're gonna put Black Cat over there?
Black Cat over there.
I'm gonna put Ghost Rider within one of Hammer.
Kingpin will come over here.
We'll do Wong right there.
Red Skull.
Go with Bell right there.
I'll pass. No, I'm kidding.
I wish.
What do we do here? He can't go over this building, right?
I don't think it's flight.
No, he does not. Because why would a god be able to go over a building?
Because he's not a god, he's Asgardian.
He's a prince.
He's Space Viking. He's not even Asgardian, to be honest. Okay.
Go there.
Go right there.
And then you have the Nebula.
And let's go with Nebula right there.
Wunderbar. Very nice.
Good luck.
Good luck. We'll start with Black Cat. We're just going to double move her over to here and pick up this hammer. And that will be her turn. Let me just shift her over a little bit, actually.
Kingpin doesn't have enough power for the throw round 1, right?
No. If he was under Steve Avengers, he would.
So my bill is gonna move once, right past the building flying.
Mm-hmm.
Move the other, he will attack right there. And pick up the hammer.
Sure.
Because who need midline grabs?
Yeah, that does body block me. I think you do, in fact, body block me. But what I didn't tell you is I could throw on turn 1. No, I'm kidding. This way, doing it this way. Can't pass. What else is Kingpin going to be doing? So I guess we can at least... We'll attack Beta Rainbow.
Okay.
That's 2.
Blocking 2.
All right. That's Kingpin.
Kinda was hoping for damage for Ghost Rider.
Oh, good point. Note to self, don't attack.
But it is what it is. We're gonna activate Wong. Wong is gonna meditate to gain 1 power, then he's gonna spend 2 power to give extra power to Ghost Rider. And then Wong is gonna move right there. What we can go full.
Oh, I was supposed to tell you what... We're going to be on a dispersion field. I don't have his token.
Oh, use the Midnight Suns. The yellow is...
Yeah, that'll be dispersion. Yep.
That's the energy, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So extra energy defense and no pushes.
From mystic attacks and superpowers. Pushed or advanced.
Cool.
Loki's gonna go. We're gonna spend 2 to go forth onto Red Skull.
Okay.
And put him here. And then we are going to go over here.
Onto the point.
Onto the point. Correct.
Cool.
And then it's going to be Loki.
We'll go with Nebula.
Sure.
She'll move long. Huh.
You're within 2?
I am within 2.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we'll roll 4 physical.
Sure.
And I believe I roll any number.
Yep. Just not skulls.
Just not skulls. 3.
1.
And I'm gonna reroll my shield. 4.
Takes 3.
And you are shocked.
I'm just going to keep it on my card.
Yeah. That will be Nebula.
All right, we're going to move them onto the point.
Mm-hmm.
Red Skull's going to pay 1, pick up the hammer.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to move on to the point over here.
I'm at the range of Red Skull from right now. I don't see.
Are you out of range? If you're up there, you'd be in range, yeah. But
We're gonna go with Blade.
yep.
He will move medium all the way to the edge of the first building.
Yes.
We'll spend 1 power.
Mm-hmm.
Bump in the night. So I'm from the edge of the building all the way to there.
Yeah, you should be within 2.
Yeah, I should be.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
5 Mystic.
Yep. And I can't switch because it costs power, which I should have done. Okay. Right. Oh no, you can't switch on him. Never mind.
No, he.
I was thinking of vision.
1 crit. 3 with
Pierce.
Pierce.
Takes 3.
I gain 3 power. And he bleeds. And end of the turn, I will gain extra power since he's bleeding.
Correct.
And that will be Blade. And you got nobody else, so it's just me right now.
Correct.
So we're gonna go with Ghost Rider. He will spend 1 power to pick up the hammer.
Mm-hmm.
We'll move medium right there. Right to there.
Okay.
We'll spend 1 power.
Bump.
Not before I even do that. Yeah, we'll spend 1 power to bump.
Yep.
All the way to there. Yep. 6 energy and Red Skull.
Okay.
Four.
5.
I don't think you need to roll anything. I think we got.
Yep.
I think that will be Ghost Rider.
Roll another one, not
Oh
that
yeah,
it matters.
I have the hammer. Nope.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so I'm scoring 1, 2, 3
To my 5.
to your 5. So I'm going 3, you're going 5. Okay, power phase. 1, 1, 1, 1, and 2. And you got priority.
All right. Let's see. We're going to spend 2 on Mr. Johann Schmidt for Cosmic Obliteration.
Okay.
And we're going to root
Ghost Rider.
Ghost Rider and incinerate that guy. and I remove the bleed. I will then spend 2 for Empowered Gauntlets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we'll attack Blade.
That's energy, right?
No, physical.
That's physical. Okay.
Correct.
And we're within 2, so I don't get cover.
So that's 6.
Oh, you're counting blanks. You use
Correct.
that. 1. I'm gonna pop my crit first. I'm blocking 3. I will spend 2 power. We roll those 2. 3. So take 3.
I did get the blitz, so I can advance small. The thing is, do I want to?
Ghost Rider is gonna get power.
Yes. You know what? I will advance small. I'll come over here. Not that it makes that big of a difference, but all right. We're gonna take 1 damage to gain 2 power. We're gonna spend 1 of them to heal.
Didn't you get 3 power from?
Only 1 power. You only
Oh,
get, it's only a
yeah.
And then we're gonna spend 2 and do it again.
Counting blanks again.
Yep.
I'll pop my crit. Oh Jesus.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6, and I have blocking 1, so I'm taking 5. If I block another 3, I would be taking 2. So there is a chance I live on 1.
Yeah.
Small, but
Small but there.
small, but there. Nope.
All right.
You deal 3.
Okay. No triggers. So that is...
Ghost. Let me just measure a quick thing. No, you moved out of range, but Ghost Rider is gonna get power.
He does get power. Correct. All right. That is Red Skull.
Black Cat has 1 power. We're gonna go with Nebula.
Sure.
We'll spend 3 power, and we're gonna use Shock Sword Assault into
Loki.
Loki. So it's 6 energy. And 1 crit. 4.
You know, people try to tell me that Loki's tanky.
I'm gonna reroll those 2.
Yep.
6.
Oh, I get to use your skull.
Yep.
So I block 2 and take 4. That gets him.
I'll place within 1. Is the stun before damage? No, stun is after, so you still gain the power of that one. Do I just body block you? Again? No. Nebula is gonna go right there again. Yep, and we're gonna hit Kingpin. Just 4 physical.
And you don't get rerolls on this one.
Nope. Don't roll.
Hey.
Nebula did what she was supposed to do.
I'm gonna pass.
We're gonna pass.
Because I can, right? I only have Kingpin and Black Cat? Yeah. And you have Bill, Wong, Ryder?
How much power you need on the Kingpin?
To do what?
Throw?
2.
So you have enough power for the throw.
I do.
So screw this, Bill is gonna not activate yet. And Black Cat has a lot of life. And I don't want to give her power to steal. And Red Skull has 3 or 4 left? 4. Okay.
4 left.
Troublemaker is 1 power or 2 power?
2.
We'll activate Wong. Wong is gonna spend first action, he's gonna spend 1 power and he will remove Root from Ghost Rider. Second action, he will meditate.
Okay.
That's Wong.
That Ghost Rider might be body blocking my cat.
Yep.
Highway to Hell costs how much to use?
I'm sorry?
How much does Highway to Hell cost to use?
3 power.
3 power, so you do have access to it.
Yep.
I think Cat's going to stay right where she is. Spend 1 to heal Red Skull 1.
Okay. So now...
Actually, I take that back. We're going to go up here first.
Okay. So my only thing that I have right now, Ghost Rider has to go over. Good?
Yes. That seems like a bad idea.
My Ghost Rider has 2 options. Go right for the back point, because that's guaranteed scoring for me.
Well, if you kill the...
Yeah, a double shotting with hammer. Because I can
That's
do
pretty
the long move.
Pretty good. Yeah, pretty good.
Or do I try to take any one of them the hammer, because that gives you extra points, extra rounds.
Good question.
But I think we're gonna go for safe play. I think that gets me onto the point.
Yeah, it does. Because that's size 3, right? So you can move over it?
I can move through that one, yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Or do I take out one of your guys?
I think I should have went with Kingpin first. So, I mean...
Okay.
The higher upside is taking out one of my guys.
4. So I would tie you, best case, right now. Technically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you would have 3, so we would tie back again. At the post, probably my blade dying next round.
It's very possible. It is very possible that blade does not survive the next round.
So the question is, do I risk it?
Do you want the biscuit?
Because I'm gonna score that one. Whatever you do, you have to one-shot. I have enough power for throw.
I have Indomitable.
That is true.
I don't have to throw you off the point, I just have to walk onto it.
You just have to walk onto it. That is very true.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that changes. Then I will not be able to tie, so I have to play longer game. So we'll spend 1 power.
To bump.
We'll bump. To here. should get me within range 3 of both of them.
Yes. Who are we going at first?
Red Skull is 5 energy defense right now, right?
Correct.
And I cannot modify into Black Cat or Pop Crits. Let's go Red Skull. Three.
1.
So you take 2.
And
I'll gain 2 power. No,
it's before damage, so I wouldn't have enough to fall back anyway. Okay, you're good.
Okay.
He has 3 left.
3 left. Let's do this again. 7 into Red Skull. Two. I'm doing 3. So that would give you 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And you have 2 life left, right?
Mm-hmm. You did bring siege, I was gonna say.
Yeah. I'll spend 3 power.
For siege?
Yeah, I have to siege right now.
Yep.
Because he is holding hammer, so it will be 3 power. So 7 into Red Skull.
Just him?
Nobody else can.
Oh, right.
This is gonna be my spike.
Wow. So 3?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, you did 2.
I don't know if I should be within range. Yeah, I'll be easy within range. So I'll pick up that hammer, and I dealt 2 power, right?
Yep.
So I'm gonna get 2. So I'll only gain 1 power because one's gonna spend to pick up that hammer. And Cat does not have enough power for the stew yet. So we're just gonna leave the Ghost Rider right there. Because being on point doesn't really help me anything there.
Methinks I'm in trouble here. So I'm just gonna move to the other side here.
Cool.
Because what you can do is actually just move over here and throw my grunts off the point.
I could, yeah.
If you wanted to.
The problem is the Nebula just sits there with 2 of them.
That is true.
But I don't think I have a choice. I need some points. Yeah.
Yeah, you can definitely make it.
Right there. Right there.
I mean...
How much life do they have?
3.
3. Let's chuck them away medium somewhere there if you could. Avoiding the, somewhere like there. And that's 3 power. And that will be Bill.
Alright, so I score 1, 2, 3, tier 4. Right? 5?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
5. Yep.
So
tie game.
8. 8. Power phase. Blade flips. We're in cleanup.
Okay. The Hydra Troopers are going to go. They're going to do Hydra Assault to move small and shoot Ghost Rider. Energy.
So they're shooting my Ghost Rider.
Yep.
That will be 4 energy.
Yep, and I get to reroll these.
Let me get my check marks before I forget about
yes.
those. And he still lives. Did you use that reroll thing?
Yes.
I'm gonna pop my crit. I'm blocking 1.
2.
So takes 1.
Yep, and then they die. Red Skull. Red Skull, Red Skull, Red Skull. What's the best thing to do here?
Oh, on which side are you on this round with him? Still on energy defense?
Yeah, energy, yeah. These guys get to come in with a stagger. Six, 7, 8, 9. Ghost Rider's energy defense is 4. What's more important, killing Blade or Ghost Rider? Ghost Rider has the objectives. Blade gives you bump and is also going to be able to kill me if I...
Ghost Rider is on 1 damage, so 7 life.
7 life?
Yep.
He has 8 now, right?
He's 8.
Alright, yeah, we're going to spend 2 for Empowered Gauntlets onto Blade.
Okay, that's physical.
Correct. Cool. 4.
1, but I'll pay 2 power to roll, including the skulls. Because thank God for that on him.
Yeah.
3. So takes 1. Did you have any crits? Of course not.
Nope. I got
Ghost Rider gonna gain power.
I got the Blitz. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna spend 5 to Spender. Onto him.
Into Blade?
Yeah.
And that one is energy.
Energy. 6, 7, 8, 9. Maybe I should have done this first. Yep, should have done that first.
Hold on, don't.
You got nothing?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Yeah, you get him, but you have to pop your crits because I might kill you if you pop another 3 crits.
Oh boy. Yep.
Nope. Okay, Blade goes away.
Yep.
But before Ghost Rider is gonna gain 1 power. So let me swap this 2 to 3. Then I'm gonna spend 2 power
To deal 3 to me?
3 damage to you. Yep.
Alright. Then he's going to spend 1 to heal himself 1.
Blade is gone.
Now I'm very
Even if I use bats, I kinda don't survive this attack.
Yeah. I'm very scared of what's about to happen now. Okay.
She doesn't have enough for Troublemaker. She doesn't have enough of the range to get me, so Black Cats and that side can just sit for later to wait. So we're gonna go with Nebula. Kingpin has reduction, right?
Correct.
And Loki has 6 life on this side.
Correct.
And so let's go with Nebula. We'll spend 6 power. Sorry, 3 power. 6 energy into Loki. Thank God for reroll.
Oh, he's not dying.
I rolled not much. 2?
Yeah, block it.
Okay. Did I roll wild? Nope. I place within 1, so let's hide right there.
Hold on. Loki's going to spend 2 for Giant's Blood. I get to move within 5. And oh wait, she's gonna gain slow and root.
I kind of don't think she cares about root.
That's what you think.
I mean, root is hardly to do much with the person who has no active superpowers. Would that happen before my place?
It's after.
After my place? Cool.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. When an enemy character ends a movement within 2.
Okay, so it would be after my place.
Do I want to go there? Choose another ally character with a 4. He just doesn't have any movement. That doesn't put me on the point. It wouldn't put me on the point back here either.
Nope.
This is brutal. Okay, we'll go there.
Okay. We're still within range 2, so 4 physical into Kingpin, unless he is weaker to energy?
Yes.
Do I want to just shoot him, or do I want to shock him? Let's go physical, maybe I'll shock you.
Okay.
I crit. We roll all the dice. 5.
Block 2, reduce 1, take 2.
She gained 2 power.
Wait, yeah.
Yep.
I did the math right.
And that will be Nebula.
Okay. I guess we'll attack Wong with Loki.
Okay. Blocking 1.
4.
I live on 1.
Wait, do you have skulls?
I do have skull.
Never mind. That's 5.
That's 5 dice.
Yeah, because I count it towards my total successes.
Then I'll spend 2 power. I'll use the bats. So I'll change the skull to shield. So now
Wait. I wouldn't do that at all. Because I can also make you suffer 1 more damage. So even if you survive on 1, I can do 1 more.
Now I'll survive on 2.
Oh, you survive on 2?
Because now I'm gonna change the skull to shield, so I'm gonna survive on 2.
Oh, you can change the skull?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, you're good.
Yep, so I'm
Oh, so now I can't even do that.
So I'm gonna take 2 damage.
What allows you to change the skull?
But
Oh, bats allows you to?
yeah.
Well now, so I did 2.
Yep.
Didn't get the trigger. This character's not good, Emil. We'll do it again.
Okay. How much you have? 2?
3.
3. 1. So I'll take 2. Sorry. Ghost Rider got power from that first attack.
Yeah.
And is gonna get another one from this one.
Yep.
And Wong is gonna daze.
I have 10 power, nothing to do with it. So.
Yeah, that's why like you can't get onto the point. You have to double tap me. And
Yeah. No, you were definitely right to do that. And that's it.
So now I have to. Ghost Rider has to kill 3 people. Huh. Huh. And Red Skull has no power, right?
No power. 4 health remaining.
And I cannot attack. There's no point of attacking Black Cat because that's gonna give her power either for Troublemaker. Okay. What's the range on the throw on? Okay, you can't get onto that point, so we're gonna activate Bell. Yeah. Yeah. We'll activate Bell, and he's gonna hide on the other side of that point right there.
Yep.
As far as I can do within range 1. Like this.
So you just have Ghost Rider left?
I have just Ghost Rider left.
Definitely not getting there, but we're gonna move here. And then attack
Nebula?
Nebula. Do I want to give you more power? Probably not, right? So we'll just spend 2.
And throw her?
And throw her. Go ahead.
And now the question is, do I risk trying to take out Black Cat, 2 8 dice attacks, and to her 3 without popping crits, or do I go for Red Skull? I think we're gonna go into Red Skull. So we'll do 6 energy into Red Skull. Sorry, 8 because of 2 hammers. Okay. Of those 3 crits. Oh, yours is same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Got him.
How much life he had?
4.
4, so I will gain 4 power. We are out of range 2. We're gonna use Pedant Star with Ghost Rider onto her. Because I'm still gonna be... That still gives me that I have enough power to do the Hell on Wheels. And I technically, even if I deal damage to you, I don't give you power for steal or anything like that. So it will be 8 Mystic because she has 1 power. Yep. 8 Mystic into her. I don't pop my crits, so I'm doing 5.
So I take 3.
You take 3 and you lose that 1 power. Then I'll spend 3 power and I'll move long onto the point right there. And I'll spend 1 power to heal that 1 damage. That will be Ghost Rider. Okay. And you just have Blood Cut left, right? Yep.
Yeah, I gotta stop you from scoring points.
Okay. So I'm scoring 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're scoring 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
So 12 to 11, and we're going into round 4. Cleanup. So on my end, Wong swaps around. And power phase. So I will gain 1 power on Ghost Rider, 1 on Nebula, 1 on Wong, and 2 on Bill. And power phase. How much life Loki has on this side? 6, right?
Yeah.
And Black Cat has 2 life. You have Brace, right? You have Brace
Yes.
and Endom. Great. I think I have to go with Ghost Rider before you do anything to my Loki. Sorry, before you do anything to my Ghost Rider. So let's do... And you deal me damage for every skull that I roll, right? That's the option that he has?
Yeah.
Fuck. And that's on my attacks, or if it targets him or somebody else.
Say that one more time.
So his dealing damage for skull. Do I have to attack? Sorry, if Ghost Rider attacks him, can you do that, or is it has to be somebody? Okay.
It's after an attack targeting this character or an allied character, or after he makes an attack.
Okay. I think we're gonna go into Loki. 8 energy into Loki. And let's see what happens. Okay. I add my crit. Seven. No skulls. Oh, okay. Okay. I will gain 6 power. I did not expect that to happen. Ghost Rider is gonna spend 3 power to do Hell on Wheels, to move long there, and then his second action he's gonna just move right there.
This game is pretty much over.
Yep, I think this is just
Just
finishing this round.
Just going through the motions. Black Cat's going to
Hit Bill.
hit Bill. 2 with a pierce.
So you're gonna pierce that.
And then you'll reduce.
I will reduce, so you're only gonna deal 1.
Yep. We'll do it again. 1 with a pierce. Doesn't matter. Reduce it by 1.
Oh, no damage?
Nope. 1 with a pierce, but you're gonna reduce it.
Yeah, I'm gonna reduce it, so... so no, I just remove the
I should
power.
have been rolling 2 extra dice.
Throw.
No,
One
don't worry
extra
about it. This
damage.
game's over anyway. Alright.
So Bill is gonna go into her. Because that might be best bet.
You just don't attack. Right?
Oh no, because you're gonna score that point.
Oh, right.
I have to daze her. So
Oh, you just throw her off.
you have Endom.
Right. No, that I can't use.
Oh, you have no power? Then I'll just throw her off.
You probably just throw her this way.
Yep. And Bill is gonna just sit there.
Yep. And only thing Kingpin can do is walk here. And yeah.
And Wong is gonna sit there.
Nebula does whatever.
Wong is gonna just sit there, meditate twice to get 2 extra power.
And you're gonna get 4, and that wins you the game, correct? You
1,
get
2,
5.
3. Yeah, I'm gonna get 5, so I'm gonna go 17, and you're gonna score
2.
2.
Yep.